If you use Google Chrome every day, protecting your data and browsing safely should be a priority. In this video, we'll cover essential privacy and security tips in Chrome 2025 to keep your information safe online. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. First, enable enhanced safe browsing in Chrome settings. This feature provides real-time protection against dangerous websites, phishing attempts, and malware, keeping your browsing secure. Make sure to review site permissions and control what websites can access, such as your location, camera, microphone, and notifications. Restricting unnecessary permissions helps prevent unwanted tracking. Next, take advantage of Chrome's password manager. It can generate strong, unique passwords for every site you use, save them securely, and alert you if a password is compromised. For extra security, enable two-factor authentication on accounts whenever possible to add another layer of protection. Regularly clearing your cookies and browsing data can also help minimize tracking and improve privacy. Chrome also allows you to block third-party cookies and manage trackers through privacy settings. Consider using incognito mode when browsing sensitive sites to prevent Chrome from saving history, cookies, or site data. Additionally, avoid installing unnecessary or untrusted extensions, as they can access your browsing data and slow down the browser. Finally, keep Chrome updated to the latest version. Updates often include important security patches to protect against new threats. By adjusting permissions, using strong passwords, blocking trackers, and enabling enhanced safe browsing, you can make your Chrome experience both private and secure. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more browser security tips and tech tutorials.